Hi everybody, today I'm going to be reading Queen of Cats by Secret Life of Pets 2. I hope you enjoy it. This book is written by Dennis R. Shealy. Gidget was a small white dog. She lived in an apartment in New York City. Lots of pets lived in the building. But Max, the dog, was Gidget's best friend. Max had lots of toys. Busy Bee was his favorite. One day, Max's brother, Duke, told him they were going on a trip. Max dug through his toys. He wanted Gidget to watch Busy Bee for him. Gidget had a great time playing with Busy Bee until the toy fell out of the window. Busy Bee fell into an apartment that was filled with cats. Gidget was afraid to go in. Cats roamed the palace day and night. Gidget needed help. She went to her friend Chloe the cat. She had to get Busy Bee back. Chloe could teach her how to be a cat. Sweet Pea, Buddy, and Mel agreed to help Chloe teach Gidget. Mel thought eating chips was a good start. Oh, Mel. Chloe said Gidget had to look like a cat. She put on pink cat ears and a white sock for a tail. Chloe taught Gidget how to bother humans and use a litter box. Oh, Mel. The laser pointer. When Norman lit it up, Gidget ate the red dot. The cats were amazed. They brought Busy Bee to her and named Gidget Queen of Cats. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye.